Introducing the MAG Bike ET.1, the latest addition to the electric mountain bike lineup that is set to revolutionize your off-road adventures. Boasting a 725 watt-hours battery and a lightweight magnesium frame, this EMTB offers an exhilarating riding experience with enhanced durability and reduced weight. The MAG Bike ET.1 stands out with its monolithic frame, carefully developed to absorb vibrations and provide a smoother and more comfortable ride. The magnesium frame, in combination with titanium and other high-quality materials, contributes to a remarkable weight reduction. At just 22 kilograms, the ET.1 is an impressive 30% lighter than its aluminum-framed counterpart. Equipped with a robust 90 Nm process MAG motor, the ET.1 accelerates with ease, reaching a top speed of 25 km/h. The 725 watt-hours battery ensures extended rides, although specific details on the maximum assistance range are yet to be disclosed by MAG Bike. The full suspension model of the ET.1, both providing 160 mm of travel. This combination ensures excellent shock absorption and stability, making it an ideal companion for challenging mountain terrains. Available in two sleek color options, blue and black, the MAG Bike ET.1 not only performs exceptionally, but also catches the eye with its modern and stylish appearance. The 12-speed e-bike comes with a Bose all-round display, offering riders essential information such as ride statistics and the remaining battery level. The ET.1 doesn't compromise on components, featuring in SRAM XXSL Eagle Axis derailleur, a RockShox Rubberbax's dropper seat post for easy height adjustment, a Hope Tech4 V4 brake set for reliable stopping power, and Maxxis Rekon tires for optimal traction on various surfaces. While the MAG Bike ET.1 has created a buzz with its impressive features and components, specific release details and pricing information are yet to be disclosed by MAG Bike. Interested riders are encouraged to visit the company's official website for the latest updates and information on the release of this cutting-edge EMTB. In conclusion, the MAG Bike ET.1 electric mountain bike combines innovation, performance, and style, making it a formidable choice for riders seeking an electrifying off-road experience. Stay tuned for more details as MAG Bike prepares to unleash this remarkable EMTB into the world of mountain biking. I hope you enjoyed this video, so don't forget to hit the like button. Have a nice day and good luck.